Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Happy Friday to everybody. So I'm continuing with the hauls. I was able to finally get to Joann, so yay, I was so super happy. This was sometime last week, and I also went back to Michael's for something. So let me go ahead and start with Joann's. So last week they had a sale on some open stock papers, and I realized I don't have any 12 by 12 white sheets of paper, and I do like, a really good quality white sheet of paper when I do cards. um you know Sometimes you just need the bigger sheets. These came out to 39 cents a piece, so I had grabbed a bunch of them thinking they were like a quarter each. So this was probably like, I don't know, maybe over $5, but it's quite a bit. Like, I got a bunch. And these are the Darice. Yes, they're the Darice Bright White. So always good to have that, and it's textured, so I do like that. I love this colored pink. Usually the one I get is basil, but this is about the same quality. And these were 25 cents each, so I just got 4 of them for $1. So I did get those. I saw Luisa's video, and she has also a tutorial on how she made her little bead dangles with the pom-pom beads, and these are the beadable beads. I had to get them in white, and I got the multicolored ones. And these are the beadable ones, so I didn't get the regular pom-poms because I think I have enough pom-poms. So, but I would definitely want to make what she was making because they're so cute. So thank you, Luisa. I think I used a coupon for this. I can't remember if this was like 40% off, but I thought it was so cute. And I've seen this bunny before. It's a Jolie's Boutique, and I think I might have seen it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But I decided to finally just get it because I just thought it was so cute. They're holding, like, this one's holding a heart, this one's holding some cute little, I should just show you. Isn't it adorable? I don't know. I just think they're so cute. Like, it's Easter time, so bunnies are everything right now. In my eyes anyway. So just super cute embellishments, and they're 3D, so I mean they're dimensional is what I meant to say. I did also find these, so I was super happy to find these. These were, I think these were also on sale. I can't remember now. It's either that or I used a coupon. So I just thought these were just too adorable. I love paper clips that are either jelly or, this, like, I don't know if that's, it's not epoxy. I don't know if it's a resin, but it's kind of clear. But I just thought this was so cute, these right here. So super cute. So I love getting those for when I do my traveler's notebooks. Also, the last thing I got there was this, and I believe these were on sale either 30% off or 40%. I think it might have been 30%. And I love it because they're 1 inches, and I don't have this pink color. I'm pretty sure I don't have. If I do have pink, they're teeny tiny ones for my small letterboard, and I have the big one. So I thought this would be really great. And this is regularly $4.99. And with the discount, I just didn't want to pass it up. And since, I don't go there that often, I thought I'd get it. And then I also went to this, it's like a bakery supply store, and I love getting, I used to make cake pops and lots of cupcakes, and I've always liked the cellophane bags that they used. And I think it's this kind. And the feel is just very different. I don't know, and it's super thick. So I thought I would get some, you know, because I can use them for cake pops. I could also use them for my crafting. And there's 100 pieces here. A little bit pricey, but it was $8.99 for this bag. But it's quite a lot, and it is a very good quality bag. And then I got it also in the 4 by 2.5 inch. So these are a little bit bigger, and so this is nice quality too. And this one was $9.99. So I love going to stores like that because they have some really cute things, and you know, we have to support the little stores that are in our area, right? So now at Michael's, I picked up the Kawaii Dreams, and it's such a cute paper, and I thought it would go well with the other Kawaii stickers, and I know I can use this paper along with, you know, those little embellishments that I've gotten. So let me just show you. I think I had shared this already with you guys from the Shine Sticker Studio. They're mostly for planners, but this is by Debbie and Chelsea. And I guess they're a mother and daughter designer team. And I love these. These are just so pretty. And these are like $5 each, I think. But, you know, you have to kind of use your coupon when you go there. So I've been kind of just getting them little by little. The last time I was there also, I got this one. And this is the Sweet Kawaii by, is it Tessia? Or Tessia? And these are the ones with the little foodies. I already shared this on one of my videos. But now, the new one that I picked up is the dumplings. And this is called Wonton in a Million. And it's by Cynthia Koo. And it is just so adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. And there's one more that I want to pick up, but they don't have it at my Michael's. I might have to try a different Michael's. But there's one more sticker die cut. But look how adorable. Are these not? They're like little dumplings. They are so cute. Or, you know, dim sum. Have you guys ever gone for dim sum? I went long time ago when I was in college. I don't think my husband likes dim sum very much, so we haven't gone, but it's pretty interesting. I don't go very often because, like I said, my husband's not really into it, and I don't really eat pork that much, so there are a lot of pork dumplings and things like that, but there's also chicken, I think. So anyway, I just think they're so adorable. I mean, look at them. They look like little baby dumplings. So cute. And you get 3 of each. I love dim sum. And then you get the sun. Super adorable. And look at this one. OMG. Having a little bowl of soup. It's just so cute. Yes, I do love wontons. There's this wonton soup that my sister got me to try, and it's really good, and it's near my home, so like down the street. I don't go there that often, but I love it. It's really good. So yeah, that's what I got from Michael's. And I got also this Shine sticker. I just love this little girl right here. She is just so darling. And Isn't she? Let me look at her. And then there's this unicorn. So I think that's like her little pal. He's kind of funny looking. I think he's just hilarious looking. He's one of those chubby unicorns. But I love it. It's so cute. So I had to grab it, and I want to color her one of these days. And then lastly, I got the little pouch. And I don't know, I can put my die cuts in here, but the reason is I kind of want to do a traveler's notebook that is kawaii themed. So hopefully I'll be able to do that sometime when all my little, you know, projects are done. And that's just something that I want for me or for Genevieve. I have plenty of stuff to work with, so I can make a few TNs with those my jelly sheets that I had gotten from Etsy. I'm gonna use that too. So yeah, that is what I got. Oh, and one more thing, I did check the clearance section at Michael's when I was there, and I did find these, and I thought this was a great price. You know, sometimes they have stuff marked clearance, but it's not really clearance price, but this one is actually. So this is $1.49, and I found these cute tassels, and I think I've seen this before, but I just never picked them up. These, and I got the pink ones, so I had to kind of dig for these because I couldn't find the pink one. But I thought that would be really cute because look, doesn't it go with the whole kawaii thing? I think it does. And I think it's going to be so much fun to play with. I have a mega Tuesday morning haul, you guys. Not like a whole lot of Maggie homes like a lot of you guys are finding, but you know, some other things that I got from Tuesday morning. So stay tuned for that. And this weekend it's going to be raining here in California, so I hope to craft, and I'll go ahead and, I mean, I'm already crafting a little bit here and there, but I'll hopefully get to show you a design team video again this weekend. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.